everybody, this is the tutorial for High Hopes 3000. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We are in standard tuning and there is a small intro which is on the piano, but I'm going to show you how to play that on the guitar. And it's all based around two shapes, an A major chord, which I'm going to use a flat finger for. That is an open A, 2, 2, 2. And the other shape we need, keep that finger in place, but we're going to include 4 on the D and 3 on the B, and this finger picks up the number 2. And we're going to be cycling between that shape and this shape, which we can call an A/D. And what we're going to see, not only through the introduction on the piano, but with the guitar in the first verse, is this rhythm. So I'm always chugging with my right hand. Always kind of having down strokes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But what I'm doing is stressing certain chords. And the first shape that you want to stress is the A chord. 1 and 2. Then on that 2, you're going to let ring out that chord just for that half beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'll do that again. Then on the next part, we have that chord there, the D to the A, but the D is the twice. So up to now, we've got. And on that last part, we fill it out with another D, then an A. So up to now, we have. And what I'm doing, I'm palm muting most of the A chords, but stressing, slightly making louder, the D chord. So for the introduction, you play that round twice. For an example, it's 1, 2. At that point, the first verse kicks in, and we have the same chords, but with a bit of a difference afterwards. In fact, afterwards, there's a pre-chorus and chorus with lots of other different parts, which we'll work out later on in the video. But this first verse starts off with 4 times round that pattern. So remember, 1 time round is. That is 1 time round. Play that 4 times for the first verse. But it then continues with an actual D major chord. So that is an open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 2 on the high E. So we have D, B minor, that is for 2 bars as well. And B minor is technically a bar chord, which is that finger on fret 2 of the bottom 5 strings. And we have 2, 4, 4, 3, and then the bad finger picks up fret 2. So for that first verse, you have 4 times around that main part. That's once, followed by 2 bars of D. And then 2 bars of B minor. And all of that is verse 1. You then repeat everything we've just done for a second verse before we then get to the pre-chorus. Just before I mention the pre-chorus, which includes a few new chords, as well as the chorus, which has a few new chords, I want to mention that we have a chord chart, which is the full structure with all of the chords in it, as well as a sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along, and you need to know which chord and which lyric match together. Well, over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, wrought out professionally by myself. So feel free to check that out. However, let's delve in with that pre-chorus, which is a B7 chord. Now, you can play this in a couple of ways. The way I'm going to play it is fret 2 on the A, we're going to bar it again, and we have 4 on the D string, then 2 on the G, and then a 2 on the high E. And sorry, 2 on the B string, should I say. So this B7 chord, not to be confused with B minor that we saw in the first verse. So we play B7 for 2 bars. Before we go to an E major chord for 2 bars. E major is an open E, 2-2 on the A and D, 1 on the G, and then 0-0 on the remaining. At this point we get to the chorus, where things change yet again. We have D major to A major To save you time, we will play that 3 times for the track. I'm only going to play it once for the sake of the video. Before you finish off the chorus with the B7 and E major. At this point we start to get a little bit of repetition where things start to basically repeat themselves, but there is a difference at the end, so stick around for that. However, the next part of the song is an instrumental, and that's where it's just like the introduction where we have... We're going to play that riff round twice. In fact, looking over to the notes, which is what I've put on Patreon, we have another verse, a third verse. If I can get my words out. I'm struggling today. But yeah, we have a third verse where it's just the same as the first and second, so I'll skip over that part. In fact, there's a pre-chorus and chorus, which are direct copies of what we saw earlier. We then get another instrumental, but then we get to the bridge. That's where things kind of change. The bridge is our main riff, and looking over to my notes, we play it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, that riff. And it's quite refrained on the actual track. There's not as many instruments. So what I would highly recommend is that we play palm muted. And don't stress it as much as you would, let's say, in the verse. After you've done that 8 times, there is a small outro. And we play the main riff 2 more times. So there you go, that's everything we need to get through this video. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material over on Patreon. I also want to say a quick thanks to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.